loves! Kamusta po kayo ulit? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is our first full day dito sa Shanghai, China. So, we have some plans to do. Na-experience natin kagabi yung sa may The Band. Sobrang daming tao, mga kalala. Sobrang daming tao. Tapos on top of that, wala kaming tulog. Na-jetlag kami. Pero nakatulog naman kami. Nakarating kami dito sa bahay ng mga around 10 p.m. After ng dinner, talagang diretso na kami dito sa hotel. And then, nag-shower. And then, natulog. Nagising kami ng mga 7 a.m. Nakatulog naman kami. Pero, meron pa rin, konting parang, antok-antok moment. So, ayan. Naka-ready na ako. Si Nicole na lang yun hihintay natin. And then si Papa Rib naka-ready na rin. We are going to Yuyuan Market and Yuyuan Garden. I think dadaanan din natin yung People's Park. Let's see kung anong mangyayari. And ito yung gagamitin nating bag today. Kasi mas mas marami siyang malalagay kaysa dito sa bag ko na to. Lit-lit kasi nito. Ang malalagay ko lang dito wallet at saka yung camera ko na isa, cellphone. Hindi mo siya malalagyan ng mga kung ano-ano pa. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Hindi masyadong malamig ngayon dito sa, sa Shanghai. I think sabi ni Papa din nasa 16 degrees siya mamaya. Pero pa rin kami. Meron kaming cardigan or jacket. Si Nicole naka-cardigan. Ako yung light jacket ko na, nabili ko sa Uniqlo. Okay naman tong bag na to. Ayaw kasi magdala ni Nicole ng bag niya. You can bring this, right? Para magamit. Do you want the crossbody or you just want this one? So, we're just gonna remove this one, right? Bagay ito sa'yo kasi tingnan mo, cute. Tingnan mo, lagyan mo, diba? Wow, dalagang-dalaga no siya. Okay, pabango lang ako saglit.
Saan ko yung earrings ko?
Andoon sa table. Ito yung pabango na gagamitin natin, yung mini
the big version of that?
Yeah, big version. Ang bango nito. Itong Versace.
It was given to me though.
Malaki, nasaan? Maano siya. Grabe siya. Mabango. Dadalhin ko na rin ito. Para meron akong pabango na gagamitin kung sakaling kailangan natin mamaya.
Can I show them what perfume I use?
So, Nicole is using ano yung pabango mo, Nicole? Coach.
And the
Replica. Ayan. Ang bango nito. Ang bango niya. Parang hindi siya yung sobrang strong na Ngayon ko lang din siya nagagamit kasi, syempre, hindi naman tayo madalas, Yung meron akong mga ginagamit sa bahay, pero yung mga malalaki. Pero ito kasi pang travel talaga siya. Ayan. Parang, hindi ba siya tutulo dito sa Okay.
It's not working.
It's not working? Right. Ihanap tayo ng kape dahil coffee is life. Let's fix a lot of stuff here so when I clean the room, it's not too messy. Okay, let's go enjoy Shanghai, China. Mabango din siya. It's good. Good morning.
Good morning, Maki Love Loves.
How's your sleep?
Oh, very beautiful.
How about you, Nicole? It's a OOTD. Nice.
What I think
What do you think?
was great about the time we arrived is we didn't
True.
experience too much jet lag. Because when we arrived, it was like 6 p.m. We just
Time
went
to
out for
sleep.
a couple hours. It's time for bed. We wake up in the morning.
Yeah, that's right.
Would have been a disaster if we woke up arrived in the morning.
True, Lalu.
Would have been up all night.
Okay, let's find our coffee, mga kalalas. Coffee first. Do you want coffee, Nicole?
I want matcha.
Matcha! So, nakahanap kami ng coffee shop, mga kalalabs. Ang pangalan ay 150 Coffee. Yan. Nag-order na kami ng kape namin. Hintayin lang namin siya. Cheers! Okay, let's go! Dadaan lang kami sa People's Park, mga kalalabs, before tayo pumunta ng Yuyuan Garden. Alam nyo, like, ang laki-laki ng Shanghai, China, yung parang itong city na to, ang tahimik, walang ingay ng sasakyan kasi most of the car is electric car. Ang galing lang. Wala kayong maririnig na wang-wang bi. Meron lang kayong maririnig na beep, 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 ganyan, galing sa mga motorbike. Pero yung mga motorbike din nila dito, electric. Walang kaingay-ingay. Naririnig nyo ba? Wala eh. Ang galing. So, ito yung ating nilalakaran ngayon.
It's like $1 million.
Ayan siya. Ay, alam nyo yung weather, perfect. Hindi malamig, hindi mainit, sobrang perfect. Nakaka-happy naman to mga kalalabs. Meron silang pa-nature. Like, hindi lang siya yung parang city talaga, buildings, ganyan. On top of that, malinis dito. And then there's like, there's like a lot of grandmas and grandpas doing their workout. Aww.
You see that everywhere.
Nakakatuwa naman sila.
It's the best place to be older.
For sure mga kalalabs, maganda dito pag nag-bloom yung mga bulaklak, yung cherry blossom ba? Like spring. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, no? Baka siguro cherry blossom tree. Nag-assume na cherry blossom yan. But, yeah, wow. Oh, I don't wanna ride that. Oh my God, mga kalabs, tingnan nyo yung mga puno, oh. I love nature. Sobrang ganda. Parang ito yung mas na-enjoy ko, no, kaysa yung mga malalaking building kagabi. Pero, of course, na-enjoy ko din yung mga lalaking building. It's just that I love trees, plants, and flowers. Nandito na tayo sa Yuyuan Garden mga kalalabs, pero andito kami sa may food court. Oh my God! Ang dami yung pagkain na pwedeng pagpilian. Kita nyo ba yan? Wow! Bigla ako nagutom. Wala pa kaming breakfast. Sobrang daming choices, Nicole. Oh, they're colorful.
Look at the bunnies. Look at the bunnies.
The other place, or lunch at the other place. So
Yeah,
small
just
snacks here,
yeah.
right? Dumplings, stuff like that.
Yeah. Pipili kami ng mga kalalabs yung gusto namin kainin dito. I think we will get this one. That snack lang yung kailangan namin. Oh my God, looks so good. I am super excited. Which one you want? Anything?
Something.
Okay. Let's choose which one we're gonna try. Maybe let's get this one and this one. You think so? This one and this one.
Oh wow, those look good, eh?
Yeah. Looks good, right?
Yeah.
So, try natin tong kanilang pork bun. Let's try that. Wow. Kain po. Ooh. It's good. How about that? This is Din Tai Fung, but different, smaller. How is it? Good? Ayos lang? This one's good.
Parang fried rice lang.
Fried rice in a wrap?
Yeah.
Yes, kumain ka agad dito sa Yuyuan Garden. Hindi pala to Yuyuan Garden. It's Yuyuan...
Garden.
Yeah? But it's different. There's like Yuyuan Garden and this one is different one.
The whole complex.
Okay.
Fried rice so nice.
That's actually tasty. Not bad. For a snack. Alam niyo mga kalalabs, marami pa pala. Oh my God. Soup dumplings. Wow. Wow. Look at that.
There we go.
Wow. So dito yung mga shopping area din ng mga souvenirs. If ever na gusto nyo bumili ng mga souvenirs, they have bags, they have necklaces, jewelries, mga ganyan. Wow. Oh, that looks pretty. talaga kayong pagpipilian na ano dito mapagkakainan o mga kalalabs. Soup dumplings at very affordable siya. Like mga,
Choose the most
wow.
boring one, eh?
Yeah, look at
Choose
that.
fried rice.
I know,
Fried
right?
rice and a dumpling.
But I'm just hungry, that's why. I need something to eat.
No,
Oh, look at
honestly.
that soup dumpling. Maybe we should try.
Look at
Yeah,
the
just
sharing.
one-
Look how the sharing curly.
I know, right? Let's try. Fishe.
How much?
Payment processing, 29.
29.
Yes.
That.
Okay, we will try this one, mga kalalabs. We must
Oh, there
try.
we go.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh my gosh. And we will grab some straw. And then here, let's just come
Wait,
here.
wait, 3 straws. Get 2 more. 1 for me, 1 for you.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo yan mga kalalabs, oh. It's very like soupy. Are we ready, Nicole? Let's poke the Pokemon. Oh my God. Oh! Let's try that.
Oh, jealous.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Really?
Yes.
Save me some. Oh my god.
Oh my God. Papa they will try as well.
Okay.
Let's try. Let's see.
So hot. Here.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like a
very-
flavor explosion.
It's very tasty.
hot.
What did you do?
It's so hot.
It's like soup. And it'll burn your mouth.
Oh my God.
What a weird thing to drip by.
Nicole.
It's so hot. I want to wait for it to like cool down.
Okay.
Okay, now we need chopsticks.
Soup lang talaga siya. It doesn't have meat inside.
Kind of weird now.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at that. So means to say, it's only like soup. It doesn't have something, pero sobrang sarap. The flavor is there. It's really good. It's tasty. Sobrang ano mga kalalabs, hindi kayo magugutom dito sa ano, Yuyuan Garden. Pag napagod kayong ano, mamasyal, kain lang kayo ng kain kasi affordable yung mga pagkain nila at ang sasarap. Grabe, parang gusto ko nga kumain ng marami pa eh. Kaso nga lang, magla-lunch kami sa ano sa restaurant mamaya. Wow, ang ganda dito mga kalalabs. Nagtitek lang ng photo si Nicole dyan. Ang ganda dito kaso nga lang, ang dami talagang tao. Yun yung masyashock kayo dito sa ano, sa China or sa Shanghai, China. Kasi everywhere you go is packed. Like, ang daming tao.
Oh, I love it. Those are $5,000 each.
Wow, look at those fish.
Look at that big one.
Oh my God. May tilapia ba dyan? Are they all koi fish, la? They're like a regular, like look like a regular fish. It's not a koi fish.
Maybe they're just different. Say that is because I can
Oh
sense
my
the
God,
family.
mga kalalabs. Oh, meron silang ano, perfume. Perfume, para siyang lip balm, pero perfume siya.
93.
93.
Ang bango.
Ha?
Ang bango.
Oo nga, no, ang bango niya. Like, imagine, you don't need like a liquid,
I have the
yeah?
same one like this, but it's like from Sephora.
Ang galing. I-smell mo nga lahat.
It's really good. Yeah. This one's vanilla.
Tingin-tingin lang kami mga kalos. Baka may mabili kami ni Nicole.
Okay.
It's all hand cream. Look at that. There smells good too eh. Mga hand cream siya. Paamoy.
Kape. Bango.
Oh my God, this smells good. Cole, smells really good. Ang bango niya mga kalalabs. You want one?
No.
You don't want?
No.
This one,
I want to
oh.
find a perfume.
Oh my God, this smells so good. Ang ganda niya pa sa kamay.
I want to find perfume.
Okay. Ayaw ni Nicole. Maganda siya eh. Oh my God, that so smells amazing. Meron siyang isang ganito mga kalalabs, oh. Ganyan siya. Yung price nasa range. Anong price nito? What's the price? Didn't say the price?
150?
Wow, it looks amazing. No, it's not. It's like 150 ml. It's not one. It smells so good. You should put it in your hands, love. Try it because your hands is dry.
It is?
Yeah, oh my god, it smells so good.
Oh my god.
Yes, nakabili si Nicole ng ano niya. Put in my bag or your bag? Yeah, your bag is fine. Sheshe, bye! Happy si Nicole, nakabili siya ng pabango. Next naman, hanap kami ng ano mga kalalabs, ng magnet. Kasi nagpapabili sa akin si Krishna ng magnet. And alam nyo ba, affordable siya. No, be, tatlo, 3, 4 ano siya. 3 for ano, $20. It's really cool. Dalawang ano yung, ano to Nicole? Jasmine? Jasmine. So, smells so good.
Just imagine 500 years ago walking through here in ancient China. Because this is what it's really like, right?
Yeah, looks so cool, eh? Nag-book kami ng DD mga kalalabs. Buti na lang, easy lang siya. Nasa Alipay din yung ano app. Akala ko dati, magda-download ka ng DD app, hindi pala, nasa Alipay na siya. It's really, good kasi madali lang lahat.
Oh, 315, yeah, that's you.
Go in the front, love. Nandito na kami sa Friends Concession, mga kalalabs. Ganito yung tsura niya. So, andito yung mga yung parang shopping ng Lululemon, mga ganyan, mga mamahaling brand. Ang weird lang kasi mga puno walang mga sanga-sanga lang na ganyan. Pero ang ganda ha. Maganda siya. Para tayong nasa Europe. Okay, are we going inside here? Okay, punta daw tayo dito. Walang sumagot pero sasagutin ko na lang yung sarili ko. Andito yung paborito kong pabango, Jo Malone. Pipili na lang tayo ng restaurant na kakainan natin. Wala, parang nasa Europe talaga tayo, oh. Look at that restaurant, mga kalalabs. Yung Lay's na chips, meron silang restaurant. Ang ganda pa ng kulay niya, yellow. Tignan niyo yung nasa kapaligid sa kanya, gray. And, yeah, I know, right? Wow! Let's have our lunch, mga kalalabs. Nandito na yung pasta na in-order namin, mga kalalabs. Yung isa pa na order namin na pizza, wala pa. Anyway, try natin tong pasta. Smells good. May truffle kasi to. Yum. Kain po. Woo. Yummy, yeah.
Really good.
Okay, kain. Let's try. It's good. I-enjoy na lang muna namin yung lunch namin, mga kalalabs. And then, ikot-ikot ulit tayo dito. Nag-order kami ng coffee, mga kalas. May nadaanan kaming flea market. Walang katapusang coffee. Okay, wait a second. Let's wait for my coffee first. Dito, oh. Ayun si Nicole. Mag-shopping na naman yata siya. Sabi niya, trip. Hindi naman to thrift store. Is it thrift store? Hindi ko lang alam. Pero hintayin lang namin yung coffee. Pampagising ba? After ng lunch. Mamaya, mga kalalabs, hahanap din kami ng Chinese food. She went there.
Oh, that's good. At least she feels comfortable going along.
Yeah. Chinese food yung namin mamaya, dinner. Nag-try lang talaga kami ng ng pizza at saka pasta kasi si Papa di parang mas comfortable siyang kumain ng ganun. So, sabi ko, kailangan kumain tayo ng Chinese food kasi nasa China tayo. Sabi niya, yes, of course. So, mamaya, mag-Chinese food tayo. Hanap lang kami ng ng magandang restaurant na kakainan. Iniwan kami ni Nicole, kakaloka siya. Akala niya naman, ay! Nalaglag. How is it, love? Ano si Papa Dave? That's a cute, Are you going to stay there? I'm gonna
look around, yeah.
I'm gonna... Where's Nicole? Oh, there.
Hey.
She's trying to, Is this a thrift store, Nicole? Look at this jacket. Wow. Yes. Pasaway ka talaga, Papa Dave. This is not a thrift store, Nicole. Oh, it's a thrift store. It's a thrift store, love.
Oh, it's a flea market. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
have,
I saw a t-shirt for 20.
we actually
Where?
we actually have a flea market by our house in Vancouver. You guys never go.
Mainit. Oh, ang cute nitong bag na to, oh. Red. That's a cool jacket.
I want to look.
We are actually.
Yeah?
Want to try one on?
Which one? No. No. Where? Okay.
Wow, look at that, too.
That's a coffee or what? That's a soup or... Oh, it's ramen. It's ramen. Yeah. Oops. Sundan lang natin si Nicole. Nadaanan na naman namin tong
Actually, get
hand
more
cream.
of those if you-
Those one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one, mga kalalabs. $2 lang isa. Ito mga to. Pero maliliit siya. Ganyan siya kaliliit. Sabi ko, Papa Dip, ano mas maganda? Ito or yung malalaki?
Look at that, your
Ito
birthday.
siya. Where?
So February.
Oh!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I wanna...
This is your birthday, day one.
Okay.
Hungji hand cream from the Goldilocks Fern. That's your birthday
Oh.
one. February 4th, see?
Maybe I should get just one. Do you think?
Up to you. It's your birthday.
Yeah, right?
Whatever you want on your birthday. Right? Cool.
I wanna try first though. I don't know which one is good. Hanap nga lang ako ng mga kalas. So, maganda siyang pasalubong. Kasi mabango siya talaga. Maganda siya sa kamay.
June 22nd, I'm Bluebell.
Bluebell? There's more, oh. Dinner time, mga kalalabs. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-update sa inyo. So, it's already 8 p.m. Look at this drink. This is orange and passion fruit. Try natin. Dito kami sa Tree Warehouse Restaurant. Let's try. You don't have ice, eh?
How is it?
Mmm.
Really?
It's good. You wanna try, Nicole? Mmm. There you go. Si Nicole nag-order din siya, pero I think yung sa kanya may pagka-cotton candy. So, itong restaurant na to, mga kalalabs, is famous restaurant dito sa Shanghai. Pero kailangan mo magbaon ng mahaba-habang pasensya kasi they don't take any reservation. They will give you a ticket, number ticket. So yung ticket namin is nasa 214. Hintay kami ng almost 3 hours mga kalala. So, let's see. Sana masarap yung pagkain. Kasi naghintay kami ng napakatagal. Like, gutom na kami. Hoping that they will serve all the orders that we have. Para isang bagsakan ba? They are not fan with cold drinks, like very, very cold drinks. This one doesn't have ice, like almost. Right? Ang serve nila dito, napansin namin, is all, like, every time nakakain kami sa restaurant, they only serve, pangalan nito, warm water. Hindi ice. Warm water talaga. Tingnan niyo yung drinks ni Nicole. Ah, that looks good, Nicole. Oh, I want that one. Oh,
Hey,
that's
why would we eat it together?
good.
No,
Yeah.
As I said, there's not much sugar in that.
Yun, oh.
There's more sugar in that than there is in that.
Yeah. Cotton candy.
We have a problem. Me too.
Sabi ni Nicole, ayaw niya daw tong cotton candy.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna try it. I don't want to ruin it, but
Let's try.
oh,
Oh, oh,
yeah. Help me.
I can. Look.
Oh.
Oh my God. Here.
Melts in your mouth. It's like Holy, that's presentation. Yeah. Oh, you can eat this.
You can eat that. What's this one? Chicken?
Pork.
Pork? What is in the...
Yeah, what?
Of course. For everybody.
Dessert time. Try naman natin tong dessert. Halos lahat naman okay yung lasa. Masarap naman lahat. Dessert. Kain ulit.
I like how there's like a random grappa eating here. It's not like Instagram or anything. He's just eating here. It's like, yeah, it's a cool spot.
Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Perfect siya.
Try the pink one. The pink one's good.
Try daw natin yung pink one.
I like that one better.
This one? I feel like I like the chocolate better. Morning mga kalalabs! The next day vlog tayo. So, nandito kami ulit sa aming favorite coffee shop. It's called 150 Coffee Shop. We love this place because their coffee is good and affordable. Starbucks is very, $7 for a coffee. $10 for, dito, 2 coffees and 1 hot chocolate is $10.
That's better, right?
Yeah, it's better.
The other would have been 25.
Yeah. Anyway, pupunta kami sa Suzhou today. We will take the SkyTrain. It will take only less than 40 minutes to get there. But they said yesterday we are planning to take the this tissue Nicole, oh. We are planning to go, we will take the Didi or Uber or taxi. But then someone told us it's 2 hours to get there. But then of course, we have that trusted friend who told us to take train or SkyTrain to go to Suzhou, and it only takes less than 1 hour, 40 minutes, something like that. Tapos it's cheaper than the taxi because taxi will cost us $60.
And who's your friend who told you this?
It's called My Loving Friend Chat AI. Chat GPT, of course. By the way pala mga kalabs, our dinner last night was amazing. And Papa Tib told me he will rate it like, how do you rate your food last night mga kalalabs?
At least 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 daw. The ambience is good, presentation is good, food is good actually. Except yung sa dessert. Medyo nag-down sila sa dessert. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Wala siyang parang wow factor, but overall, the presentation is good. So you must try number 3 warehouse, or they call it 3 warehouse restaurant. So they have a lot of location. So the location we went is near to our hotel. Kaya, ayun, i-search nyo na lang. Yeah, i-search nyo na lang sa sa mga social media, because there's a lot of social media influencer who made a video about the number 3 warehouse restaurant. Okay, we are ready to go to our adventure today. Let's go. Okay, tara na mga kals, para makarating tayo sa Suzhou ng mabilisan, at alam na this, food trip na naman tayo. Hindi tayo ng ticket mga kalabs papunta sa Suzhou. Pero let's see what's gonna happen. So ito yung nila mga ticket machine. They don't take any Alipay. Oh, there's like information. They don't have information here. Oops. Oh, there's the metro metro QR code. Buy ticket. Let's see.
请选择目的车站或票价。
Sabi ni Papa Dave, line 2. Okay, line 2. We are going to Suzhou. So,
Okay, it does Alipay.
yeah, here. So it's line 2, right?
2?
Yeah.
And then we want to go Hongkou Station. Hongkou Railway Station, here it is.
Okay.
To there, right? It's only 5 pesos. It's really cheap.
5 pesos.
But we need 3 tickets, so...
So just get that.
Oh, wait.
3 tickets. Yeah, there you go.
15. Submit
Scan.
payment. Okay, wait, hold on.
Yeah. Scan mode of payment there. So ito siya mga kalalabs. There.
请扫描付款码。
Yeah.
So scan.
Yeah. Oh, that's the one. Okay, perfect.
Boom.
Boom,
So
it's
easy
easy.
here.
We thought we need
You are
some coins.
helpless in this country without
The Alipay. Yeah, you must have WeChat or Alipay mga kalabs, kasi talaga yung niya. And Union Pay, they have 3.
That's Onion Pay.
Yeah. Onion? Yun
正
yun.
在出票，
What do you mean?
请稍后。
Pasaway to si Papa Dib talaga. Okay, we got our
售
ticket.
票成功，
Yay!
请您车票。
Okay, let's go. So, transfer kami ng mga kalabs, ng train. Ang laki ng train station nila dito sa China. Grabe. Wow, tapos malinis pa siya. Yun yung kinaganda. Kaso nga lang, mga kalalabs, dito, kailangan meron kang translator, kasi kung wala kang translator, hindi ka nila maintindihan. So, madalang yung merong mga, makakausap ka talaga na marunong mag-English. Pero at least meron tayong translator. And then, helpful naman sila, kaso nga lang, kailangan mo lang talaga nung translator para sabihin sa kanila or kung ano yung kailangan mo sa kanila or yung tatanungin mo sa kanila. At isa pa, ang daming camera dito. Hindi lang dito sa hindi lang dito sa may train station, kahit saan. Like, ang daming camera na nakatutok talaga. Anong oras na? I think mag-alas 10 na. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast, coffee lang yung namin. But that's okay kasi pagdating natin sa Suzhou, kakain tayo ng kung ano-ano na naman. Wow. It's a long walk.
列车现在到达上海虹桥站，列车停靠18站台，请按站内标识。
Oh my God, mga kalalabs. Ang laki-laki ng ano na to, train station, kung saan-saan kami napadpad kanina. Anyway, nakabili na kami ng ticket namin papunta sa Suju. And then, kailangan pala, dalhin niyo yung mga passport niyo. Hindi namin kasi alam na kailangan pala yung passport. Buti na lang, meron kaming mga picture, like, talagang nag-prepare kami ni Papa Dim na kailangan meron kaming copy sa, like, photocopies ng aming mga passport. Buti na lang tinanggap nila yon. But, sa totoo lang, it's better na pag hindi kayo masyadong sanay sa, like, ang laki-laki ng ng mga station dito, iba't ibang station talaga siya. Much better na mag-take na lang kayo ng kung hindi kayo sure, mag-take na lang kayo ng Didi or Uber or taxi to go to Suju from Shanghai. Kasi, I think, totoo yung sinabi nung kaibigan ni Papa Dave na nakatira dito sa Shanghai na mag-take na lang kayo ng Uber or Didi or taxi kaysa sa train. Kasi, I think it's the same thing. Like, I think it
It's
take us
already
2
been 3
hours. 2 hours, right?
We left at 8:30.
Yeah.
2 hours plus.
Yeah.
We haven't even. Yeah.
So, your friend is right? So, what do you
Friend is
think? Right?
He's
Didi?
Chinese. He knows.
He knows. So, pag yung mga local, pag alam mo na sinabi sa'yo, pakinggan mo na lang. Bumili ako ng nagutom si Nicole, ng bread at saka water. Yan na lang muna yung ini-snack namin ngayon. What time is it? So, yung train namin naalis ng 11 a.m. So, it's almost there. How long is the train
Although
ride?
the train ride total was $22, and to get there is $60 for
Yeah.
the Didi.
So, how long is the ride? Like 30 minutes?
45, I think.
45 minutes from here to the Soju.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Ayun, maghintay lang tayo and then update ko na lang kayo pag nakarating na tayo sa Soju. Nandito na kami sa Soju, mga kalalabs. Di ko alam kung napopronounce ko ba tama yung Suju or Soju. Di ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation. But anyway, let's explore this place because it takes a while to get here. Ilang oras din kaming bumiyahe. So I think it's better na mag-take kayo ng Didi kaysa sa train, if ever. Kasi pag nag-train kayo, waiting time talaga siya. Wow, Nicole, there's a lot of food. Wow. Look at those fruits. Looks good. Oh, Nicole, yung magnet ba to, be? Nicole, can you check this one if it's magnet? I think it's a magnet, right? Oh, looks so pretty. Look at that.
I would get this one.
Wow, that's so pretty. Or beautiful. Ang ganda nito, oh.
I would get this one.
Wow. Suju. Wow, souvenir. Dami niyong mabibiling pagkain ulit dito, oh. Masarap to, oh, beef, tapos tong fish. Masarap. Magkano kaya?
What is brown lake?
That's good. What's that one? Oh, ang bango dito, Bi. Oh, ang bango. Smells so good.
It's nice.
Yeah. Kain muna kami ng lunch, mga kalalabs. Tapos balik tayo dun sa main attraction. Let's see kung makakuha tayo ng magandang video doon. And makabili kami ni Nicole ng pa-souvenir. Are you going to buy a magnet, Nicole? Keychain? Ako, I think bibili ako nung Hindi ko nga alam kung yung sa Shanghai ba yung bibilhin ko or yung magnet dito. I think sa Shanghai na lang. Pero maganda yung mga design ng nila. Magnet. Pa-souvenir ba? Ang cute. Okay, let's find our restaurant and let's...
So
Have
there's
that.
that street there, which is the famous street,
Mm.
and then there's somewhere called the Humble Ambassador's Garden. And
Okay.
it's over there, and it costs 70 pesos to get in.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can do that too, and it's supposed to be this beautiful like garden kind of thing.
Oh, I
So-
see. Okay.
Yeah. So
Maybe
eating-
after our lunch, and then we can just go there.
Yeah, because eating is important just to get our. 'cause
Energy.
we haven't had breakfast yet. and
Yeah.
It was a long way.
Buti na lang kumain kami ni Nicole ng bread kanina. Tapos bumili ako ng water. Tapos meron namang tayong coffee kanina. Kaso nga lang, syempre kailangan na namin kumain ng proper food para magkaroon kami ng energy. Pwede kayong dito mag-rent ng mga costume, mga kalalabs, and then mag-photoshoot. Kung gusto nyo. Pero kami hindi namin siya trip. More on sa kami talaga, pagkain. So, meron tayong dumplings sa may crab. Meron din tayong xiaolongbao.
That's dumplings?
Yeah, I think it's dumplings. Sarap.
This one.
This one good? Soup dumplings good. Xiaolongbao. Wow. That's good. Meron siyang shrimp. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung aming lunch, mga kalalabs. Ang sarap niya. Crab noodles, everything has crab sauce. The best. So, dito kami kumain. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung English name ng kanyang restaurant. So, ngayon, yeah, I know. We
feel
got,
like-
that is like actually a good food. Like xiaolongbao,
I lost my
noodles.
energy for a while, but after
Yeah.
eating all that delicious food,
It's perfect.
yummers.
Yeah. So now we are going to try to find a bathroom, mga kalabs. Kasi doon sa restaurant, wala silang bathroom. Oh, there. There's the bathroom, love. Oh. Across the street. There, oh. There's a sign. And then after that, mamasyal na tayo dito sa Soju. Hindi ko lang alam kung saang part, pero kung ano lang yung madaanan natin, that's it. I-enjoy natin to kasi ang layo-layo nitong lugar na to, in fairness. Meron sana akong gustong iba pang lugar na puntahan. Kaso nga lang, ito yung pinili ni Papa Dib na puntahan. So sabi ko, okay naman. Hindi pa namin siya na-explore, pero overall, good experience sa food. The best yung food na kinain namin. We love it.
We're gonna get one, right?
Yeah, sure.
Just
Let's.
one?
No, I wanna try the white one and that
The white
one.
one.
Let's try. So, matagal na namin gustong itry ni Nicole to. Hindi namin alam kung ano yan. But, how much? Okay,
10.
let's Alipay. Alipay?
Just two.
No, maybe 3. 3 for one price. I guess.
I'll get both 3.
Okay. Okay, let's pay. Okay, scan. Let's scan here. Scan. Okay.
Oh, enter amount 10.
10?
Yeah.
Here? Okay, we will try this one, mga kalala. So, yung kay Nicole Green, I don't know what is that. And I have this one. I
The white
believe this
white?
is black sesame or something. It's sticky siya. Oh, let's see if it's sweet. Okay, let's try. Oh
Oh,
my God,
for
it's
you.
hard to... oh, sticky siya kasi.
Okay, go for it.
Go for it, Nicole.
See inside? Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, mine. I don't know. Mine is like, it's too hard. Like, look at that.
Mung bean?
It's
Yeah.
mochi.
Mochi. Okay, try. Let's try.
But like very Chinese.
Chinese mochi. Oh, plastic.
May plastic siya. Okay. Ito yung laman niya.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a dessert.
Yummy.
What's
It's
this
good.
one?
I don't really know.
Try this.
Try din natin to. Not bad. It's okay
I
lang.
don't like this one.
Okay.
I
Okay.
like the-
It's good. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's explore the Suju Suju, suju, suju. Balik na tayo sa Shanghai, mga kalalabs po. Pero this time, magti-take kami ng, Didi. Di tayo magti-train. Magdi-Didi tayo.
Okay, come in here.
Hello! Okay, let's go. Hindi namin alam kung ilang oras na biyahe na.
Okay.
Hey. Pasok pa sana kami doon sa mga kalab sa park. Kaso nga lang, anong pangalan nito? Meron kaming imi-meet mamaya for dinner. Yun yung nagsusupply sa amin ng carpet. Nag-invite sila na kumain ng dinner. Sabi namin okay. So, kailangan makabalik tayo ng hotel before 5 p.m. Talang magsi-seatbelt lang tayo. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Traveling vlog.
Traveling vlog. Ah.
Let's go serve for all. But it's also extra spicy. Look at those peppers.
Did you enjoy the dinner?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Oh my God, ang dami nilang in-order mga kalalabs na pagkain. Kumain kami doon sa restaurant na kinainan nila Chef RB. Nakita ko kasi yun, tapos sinadjust ko sa kanila na doon kami dalhin. Oh my God, it's so spicy. Hotel na tayo mga kalalabs. Pakita ko lang saglit sa inyo yung binigay sa amin binigyan kami ng gift ng aming supplier. So binigyan nila si Papa Dave ng ilalagay niya sa car niya na Lucky Charm. Pero hindi namin to pwedeng ilagay sa car. Because if we put this in our car in Vancouver, Canada, baka basagin yung aming mga windows ng car namin para makuha lang to. So bawal bawal maglagay-lagay ng kung ano-ano sa car doon sa Canada. Babasagin yan, B. Pag pinark mo yan at nakita nila yan, B, push, basag yung car mo. Pero ibibigay ko na lang to doon sa sa bahay sa Pinas. It's really nice. It's so beautiful. Very detailed siya. Kami na lang magsasabit doon sa sasakyan doon sa Pinas, 'di ba? Ayan, thank you naman sa kanila. They're very nice. And binigyan din nila ako ng mirror. Ito siya, ang ganda-ganda niya. Hindi ko alam kung alam nila na Year of the Rabbit ako kasi there's a rabbit there. Kita nyo ba yan? Ito, Ang ganda, mirror to, mga kalalas. Oh my God, it's very heavy. And it's very nice kasi yung kulay niya, gold. Paano ba ito buksan na? Nakalimutan ko na siyang buksan tuloy. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ibubukas mo siya ng ganyan. Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ayan. Tapos may pag-glitter-glitter pa siya dyan, Oh, it's so nice. And then, binigyan din nila si Nicole ng gift. Ito siya, bracelet, na mayroon siyang papusa-pusa. Ay, mayroon siyang paa ng pusa dito. Ayan, Tapos, igaganyan mo lang siya and then isusuot mo siya ganyan. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. Oh, this is so cute. Parang ako yata magsusuot. Nick, pwede din pala tong necklace siguro. Pwede yata kasi siya, Ay, hindi pala pwede. Baka masira. Pero it's really nice. Ayan, So cute. Yan yung mga binigay nilang gift sa atin. And then, yung dinner namin na sobrang dami. Grabe. Yung maanghang doon, nakita nyo ba yung yung isang plato ng punong-puno ng sili? Chicken yun. Tapos, pag kinain mo yung chicken, ay grabe, ang anghang B. Pero hindi siya yung parang, love, you know the spicy of that chili, you know that chicken with a lot of chilies? It doesn't stay on your tongue. It doesn't, it was spicy, but then now it's gone. It's,
Yeah.
you
It
don't,
numbs your tongue too, eh?
yeah, you never, that's amazing. That's different. Kasi, sa Pilipinas, yung sili natin dyan, pag kinain mo, magtatagal talaga siya dyan sa dila mo na parang talagang hindi siya matatanggal ng matagal. Pero yun, yung mga kinain namin, even though there's a lot of chilies, hindi siya yung hindi siya yung magtatagal sa labi mo or sa dila mo. It's amazing. I was like, what? So, dami nung sili na yun. And nag-aalala ako kasi meron akong sobrang acidic ko, 'di ba? Nag-aalala ako, hala, itong pagkain to, sasakit yung tiyan ko kasi alam ko na yung Pero kasi, ako nag-suggest ng restaurant na yun. Dahil ilang beses kasi sila Chef RB na kumain doon. Like, I think doon sa Shanghai vlog nila, kung napapanood nyo si Chef RB, nag-travel sila dito sa Shanghai. And then, kumain sila doon sa restaurant na yun, na 3 beses. I think nung binilang ko, 3 beses sila kumain doon eh. And then, they also ordered that kind of food, yung meron kami. Except yan, nag-order ba sila ng fish? Parang hindi ko na maalala. Pero yung sili na mayroong chicken, nakita ko yun sa kanila. Na in-order nila yun. Tapos yung green beans. Yung green beans, may sili siya pero hindi siya maanghang. Sobrang nakaka-amaze lang. So, ayun. Thanks naman kay Chef RB. Nakita ko sa yung vlog niya. Ilang beses ko yung pinanood. Actually, before kami pumunta ng Sojo, may sinabi ako kay Papa Dave na ito yung puntahan natin. Pero yung pinili ni Papa Dave is yung Sojo. Pero same-same lang daw naman din yun. Pero yung nakita ko kasi sa vlog ni Chef RB, maganda yung pinuntahan nilang water park. Sabi ko, sana yun na lang yung pinuntahan namin. Pero, sabi naman nung, namin, yung minute namin today, na sa dinner, is, sabi niya, same-same lang yan. Sabi ko, talaga ba? Sabi niya, yes. So, ayun. Anyway, mag-e-end na rin po ako ng vlog dito. Ito na po yung ating Shanghai China vlog. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo. Tomorrow, we are traveling to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Hindi ko alam kung magbablog po ako bukas. Pero, kasi magta-travel lang naman kami papuntang Chiang Mai and then late na yung travel namin eh. Like, 4:30 p.m. yung flight namin papuntang, Chiang Mai. And then, 5 hours yung flight. So, gabi na kami makakarating ng Chiang Mai. Iniisip ko kung ibablog ko pa ba or hindi. Pero let's see kung ano mangyayari. Hindi ako nakabili ng magnet, bukas na lang. Kung hindi ko mabili dyan sa may Nanjing Street, na lang, sa airport na lang, I think. But let's see kung ano mangyayari. Sabi ko kay Papa Deb, let's go out. Can I go out and I will buy the magnet? What time is it? It's 8:27. Please. Because I'm worried if I will buy it at the airport, it will be, please.
So dangerous up there.
You're gonna be with me anyway. Tamad na si Papa Dibo. Ayaw niya ako samahan mga kalalab so Papa Dibo is being bad.
Only if Nicole comes.
She doesn't wanna come.
I gotta post this first. And you're taking too long.
Okay, anyway, I'll be ending my vlog na mga kalalabs. Lalabas pa rin kami pero bibili na lang ako ng magnet kasi may nagpapabili sa akin. So again, thank you all for watching. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung mga vlog natin dito sa Shanghai, China. I love you all. God bless us all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye mga kalalabs. Good night.